Meaning of favored.
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 Favored. Favored is an adjective that describes something or someone that is preferred or given special treatment. It can also mean to have a particular quality or feature that is advantageous. For example, in a workplace, an employee who is favored by their boss may receive better assignments or promotions. In politics, a favored policy may receive more attention and resources. In art, a favored style may enjoy greater popularity. Overall, being favored can result in benefits and advantages over others who are not favored.